Hi, Microsoft Office 365 is the leading software as a service platform available today. The Microsoft 365 Fundamentals MS-900 certification is a foundational exam that prepares you for other M365 certifications. Hi, my name is Andre Hiotis. I've been working as a security engineer for a number of years, focusing on security, governance, risk, and compliance. I hold multiple certifications on Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Microsoft M365. In this course, I have taken the following approach, which is aligned with the new Microsoft performance-based training, which ensures that you not only understand the different concepts, but you can relate concepts together and understand key differences. I also try as much as possible to teach you within the M365 portal. I tackle each section and lecture from the point of view of the exam and the questions that might be asked on the exam. So go ahead and sign up for this Udemy course. I really hope to see you there. My goal for this course is for you to pass this certification.